Measuring tire pressure is an important skill to have in case of an emergency. You never want to be stranded on the road, and making sure your tires roll smoothly is an important part of that. Proper tire pressure is vital to fuel economy. A tire pressure gauge isn't very expensive and can be purchased at most auto parts stores. It's a good idea to have one in every car, even though modern cars have tire pressure sensors and a warning light to let you know when you're running low. The first step to checking tire pressure is to be sure you're in a safe place with your car securely in park. Next, move to one tire and remove the cap from the stem. Press the gauge, whether analog or digital, over the stem. You have to do this somewhat quickly to be sure you get an accurate reading. You'll hear air if it is escaping. A good reading will have a distinct popping sound as the air quickly escapes but is then channeled totally into the gauge. Most gauges read in pounds per square inch, or PSI. Consult your vehicle's manual or the tag on the inside of the driver's door well to learn the optimum pressure for your tires. If the reading is above the recommendation, you can easily use the back side of the pressure gauge head to let some air out. To put more air in though, you'll need an air compressor filled to a pressure above the one you need for your tires. Tire pressure increases with temperature. Be sure to set your tire pressure when cold, not after just driving on the highway. After you finish one tire, move on to the others until they are all properly filled.